What's up, guys? So,
We're more into the car.
yes, so,
We made a video,
we are,
and then it
yeah,
stopped.
we're just gonna,
Yeah.
so we're really excited. We're going to go see some future doggies here, some puppies.
First, no.
Yeah, they're really cute. And we're gonna eat it. Slays. Yeah, and so it's really sunny. And Kai is coming with us. Yay! Special guest.
Stuff all over my arm.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's like,
Sorry, it's really sunny, but I need to do some of my homework. So just updating you guys. Yeah. So
she doesn't like
So they have
no,
like
not really.
they have
so yeah, we're going to
hamburgers.
Slays. Hamburgers. We found out there's actually females too.
Are you listening
Instead
to
of
me?
just two males.
On the way home.
Ice cream on the way home. Yes.
Check.
Susie shoes. Sorry, Susie shoes. Oh my gosh, we literally just passed the thing that's a kitty's corner. No.
we are
but-
going to get a dog.
I had to take off my shoes. I'm sorry. I know. Yeah. So we're probably gonna get a hot dog on the way there and like fries, and then on the way back, ice cream. I don't know. We're not Kravitz now, guys. I know exactly what it looks like when we go into our Kravitz, and this is not what it looks like. Looks like. Yeah, it's clean. We are here. Well, not. Well.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in the place where we eat food. Yes, we're in the town. We're here at the drive-thru in the north of the border. It's kind of better lighting here. Yes, this is exactly.
Just go
what it
inside and order.
Yeah. Sure.
It must
Okay,
be
so
good.
we're not at the place where the dogs are, but we're at the place where we're gonna eat some supper because we haven't had any. So yes. Whoa, that made a weird noise. I'm probably gonna get a hot dog. I don't know. I think so. I'm not certain.
That was a
Love it in here. It's so cute though. Do you not see all the like posters and stuff? There's a come up machine. I didn't get one.
Yeah, I feel
Yeah, we each got a hot dog and we're sharing a medium rice. Orange for a large, right? But we got the medium because we don't need
gauge.
that much. Yeah.
This is like, wait, don't stop recording.
Okay. Kai wants me to record. I don't know why. Oh no, there she is.
I'm the mom.
So I'm so excited.
Have you seen? Scream.
Oh no, we never had to wait that long. Was it?